this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off motion blur here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your settings and go specifically into the graphics tab right here. And up at the very top, you're going to see three sections. You're going to have display, quality, view, and then benchmark. Benchmark doesn't really have anything important, so kind of ignore that one. But these are the main three right here. Go over to the quality tab and scroll down. And what you're looking for is the world motion blur section and the weapon motion blur section as well. If you don't see it for some reason in quality, go ahead and navigate over to view and check in this camera option. But essentially, you're going to want to turn both of these off right here. World motion blur adds blur to moving objects in the environment. And weapon motion blur adds blur to your gun while moving, aiming, or firing. Turning them off instantly makes the game look cleaner, sharper, and much easier to play, especially during fast gunfights. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. We can help you out further. But your game should now look a lot cleaner and more clear without any unnecessary blur. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.